So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to lock text here on easel. So once you have the easel application opened up on your device, what I want you to do is obviously go ahead and add some text into your design. So I go to the right here, press on the text tab right above images, press on add a heading or add a subheading or add body text or whatever. But for this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and just type in the word lock right here. So if you wanted to lock it in place, it's super straightforward. Press on the text right here, and right above the text, there actually is three little dots right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it too well, but there's three little dots right here. Press on those three dots, and it'll say a bunch of different things: copy, paste, delete, bring forward, bring back, etc. But right at the bottom, it says lock position, and if you were to go ahead and just press lock position, it actually locks this text in place. So if you try to move it around, you can't do it. If you try to delete it, it does work, but what you can't do is just move the text around. And if you want to unlock it, press on the text right here. Same thing, go to the top, press on this little unlock button right here. Or also, my apologies, go to the little three dots right here, then press on unlock position. So pretty straightforward, but that is how you guys can lock and unlock text here on easel. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.